Ruhonge rwa kuramata maria maturigicĩirie NEMA kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu unyitanĩri-inĩ na ruhonge rwa kuramata mititu KFS ni manyitanĩire uhandi-inĩ wa miti 5,000 mutito-ini wa Kereita kaunti-ini ino. Kuringana na Thomas Kipto uria ni afitha munene uthaitiri-ini wa maria maturigicĩirie kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni ugite mahandite miti no gicigo-ini kia mutito uyu kiria kiagomeirwo ni ituika ria tiri.
We are protecting one of the fragile ecosystems. Kama hapa hivi tuko is one of the critical areas. Mnaona landslide, it is moving faster towards this other area mahali cha kuwa affected. So planting these trees which we have done today 5,000 itachangia kubwa sana kuzuia momonyoko wa udongo.
Kipto ho ni ugite ni megukorwo makinyitanira na ruhonge rwa KFS gutigirira miti no ni yagitirwo kumana na gutemwo kana kwanangwo.
Ningependa kusema kwamba tumeweza kupanda miti 5,000 na tumeweka mikakati tukishirikiana na KFS na CFA kuhakikisha hiyo miti tumepanda leo itandumu na itakuwa kubwa, kwa sababu nia si kupanda, ni kuhakikisha ni tree growing.
Mihango oteno ni twarithitio na mbere kaunti-ini ya Embu kuria makiria ma maafitha 300 a wathani wa matura manyitanĩire kuhanda miti 1,000. Akiaria hindi ya mihango ino munini wa Inspector General wa wathani wa matura Gitiba Mwita ni ugite mihango ino igukorwo igitwarithio na mbere unyitanĩri-ini na aikari a matura matiganite kuma kaunti-ini ino.
We work closer to societies and we always team up with the members of public for this important cause, and we encourage that all administration policemen and women wherever they are to make sure the government's agenda of planting trees is done.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa uthuthuria wa urimi na mahiu Kalro niwe Alfred Misheni ni ugite ruhonge ruru rwina mufango wa kuhanda miti ya matunda 10,000 niguo kugacirithia mirire miega.
Some people may think that because we are in Karo we are only looking at crops and livestock. No, we integrate other things that are within the farm, trees and all what goes on.
Mihango ino irongoreirie gukinyaniria kioneki gia kuhanda miti bilioni 15 gugikinyaniria mwaka wa 2032. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.